Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today's video, we are tackling my home office. This is the room that stored all of the Christmas presents that we have not touched, did any cleaning in for several weeks. So I've been slowly taking things out of here, but it needs a good clean. First thing we're going to do is get everything out of the room.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear. Say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka Cola Light.
Now that we have everything out of my office that was on the floor, I'm going to focus on the top of my desk. So I actually have 3 monitors on my desk. The 2 side monitors are work computers because I work a full-time job from home. And then the center computer is all of the YouTube work that I do on that computer. I have all of these wires on my desk, and my husband bought me a wireless headset and a wireless keyboard and mouse to get rid of some of these wires. My kitty cat Allie, she loves these wires, and she's going to end up like chewing them or something. So he was nice enough to get me some wireless for work. My Mac computer came with a wireless keyboard and mouse. So I got my new Swiffer, and let me tell y'all, it was an amazing difference. That blue thing did not fall off one time. So tip, spend the extra money and get the Swiffer. All right, guys, so we're going to spend quite a bit of time here to get things dusted off, get my dog hair, my cat hair off of everything. We spend lots and lots of time in this room. I work in this room all day long. I do lots of editing in this room. We watch movies in this room. So this is kind of office / living room. So let's get it all dusted off.
The artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. My self-restraint, I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 love.
I got these movie strip picture frames from IKEA, and every time we go on a trip or if I find an old picture, I always slide the pictures in those. So those are a work in progress, but they're super cute, and if you're looking for those, I got them at IKEA. Also, can I tell you how excited I am to go get my hair done? I cannot believe all the gray or maybe white. I don't know. It looks like I'm going bald, but no, I just need to get my my hair colored. So I go next week and I am like beyond excited.
20 minutes in a moment for a lifetime. You were driving through the ocean in the side of my head. I could tell it was your eyes that made the sun shine. And I could stay inside the moment until I was there. It's true, it's true what they say about you. Oh, it's true, the things they say about you. That night my head was filled with thunder and every emotion. Could make an animal of anyone just being with you. And I was thinking maybe this is it, I'm no longer lonely. It's true what they say about you.
This string here on this door frame, this is one of Allie's favorite things to play with. She loves that thing. She will sit and jump to tackle that for like hours. So we use that to keep her nice and busy.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
So guys, tell me how you guys been doing. I've been so busy over here talking. I haven't had a chance to ask you guys how things are going. Are you guys having a good week? The first week back after the holidays is over. Thank goodness. I'm so excited. I'm back in my normal routine. Work for me is going good. Home is going good. We are actually preparing to go on vacation soon. So the days, I hope they go by quickly. But don't forget, let me know in the comments how things are going for you and your family.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is secret? Everything is see-through. No more. Everything is see-through. No more. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see-through.
I'm so excited. I ordered these pillows off of Amazon and I was sitting here editing the video and the UPS guy came. So we're going to go ahead and get these new pillows put in place and see what our room looks like now that it's all cleaned up and reset.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Two peas in the pod. know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah.
Now that we're coming to the end of our video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you're having a wonderful Sunday, and I definitely appreciate you watching this Clean With Me video. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.